Hello traders, Alla at 9:31 on January 16. Here's Alpha Fibonacci review at the market open, which shows you the predictive power of Alpha Fibonacci trading system. This morning we're looking at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone present in the room for the last few weeks. For the last 7 hours, price been struggling at this historical high. If I would squeeze this chart and I go to the bottom, ultimate trend inception identified days in advance, ultimate bullish rally despite Iran's attack on US base played out in the evening of January 7th, identified historical high days in advance. So for the last 7 hours, price been stuck at this Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So let's look a little closer. If I convert this chart to 5 minutes, this is what played out. So what did we discuss with my intelligent, brilliant traders before market open? We discussed zero sellers in this market, only buyers. We discussed your only option this morning to buy extremely high. It is not a conservative option whatsoever. It is extremely aggressive buy, playing out in front of you right now. Scanner giving me bullish alerts. Very aggressive trading this morning. Clear on that? There is nothing in common between trader who is buying now versus trader who is buying here. Yesterday the market opened at critical support. Did I warn you yesterday morning that market will fall asleep? Of course, as it's done so in the afternoon. So if you choose to buy here, you're beyond aggressive trader. Nothing in common between buying here versus buying here. Conservative trader demands pullback. Conservative trader not buying historical high. And if I squeeze this chart and make it 15-minute, identical formula applies. All identified days in advance, never ever after the fact. And that's Alpha Fibonacci day trading chart. So how in the world do I know that institutions continue buying this market? Simple. Weekly. Plain space to the upside on Dow. Institutional support remains respected. This is vertical rally since December 2018. Zero shorts here. Intelligent trader been buying every single pullback. And that's Dow for this week. And that's Dow for the last year. And this is Dow now. Let's take a look on S&P, shall we? So here's S&P this week since Iran's event. Chart present in the room for the last few weeks. Ultimate place to buy is ultimate bottom at critical trend inception. Ultimate support, not the place to short, the place to buy from. S&P had given you over 40 points of entry in the last week with institutional bias. In front of you, brand new historical high. In front of you, ultimate reminder. Buyer stepped in from Alpha Fibonacci support. This is historical high in front of you on S&P, present in the room for weeks. So if S&P right now starts pulling back, you are not surprised. Why? S&P drastically higher than Dow. And if I would take a look on weekly chart, this is identical vertical rally on S&P. What is the difference? S&P drastically higher than Dow. So if you trade with institutional bias, if you're looking at this phenomenal bullish rally, you're riding institutional bullish train with Alpha Fibonacci method identifying trend inception, trend reversal in advance. So while we're waiting patiently on S&P and Dow to give us pullback, as 1 minute chart already showing you so as expected, let's take a look what played out on S&P in the last 2 years, shall we? Let's walk down on S&P for the last 12 years, shall we? 2008, I developed first strategy. 2008, market collapsing. This is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, market in free fall. Here's the market in bearish correction at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, 2014, 15, 16. 1800 number, crucial support. This support respected for 3 years. Market frozen between critical support and Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. What do you see ahead? Reversal zone, of course, 2800. And this is what price does for the next 2 years. 1800 number is trend inception on weekly, ultimate support on monthly. S&P rallies and reaches 2200 with 23 and 2500 to follow. That's exactly what plays out. But pullback from the end of the minor trend, Alpha Fibonacci resistance, plays out first. Election night, stunning bullish points of entry. It did not matter if Trump or Hillary won the election. Market skyrockets. Alpha Fibonacci traders much smarter than Soros, buying the market left and right. Next, Alpha Fibonacci resistance is reached. So when market continue rallying 2017, there is no surprise. But when the market reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone and starts selling off, as expected, as spelled out years in advance, there is no surprise. Intelligent trader knew so many years in advance. Reversal zone, expect reversal. Brutal bearish correction 2018. Market continued chopping with 2500 being the key entire year. Until market crashes to critical Alpha Fibonacci support. 2300 number. Identical meaning, identical power as 3 years before. It's all the same, traders. 2014, 15, 16, it was 1800 number. Ultimate support where market rallied from. 2019, it's 2300 number. Critical support, which in 2017 was ultimate resistance. And that's phenomenal market symmetry. And that's where market been rallying from since 2019. This stunning bullish rally had been unstoppable. This is where rally is now. And this is S&P now, from ultimate bottom, from ultimate trend inception. Identical rally as you saw in 2016. In 2019, S&P took a major pause at 3000 number for a couple of months. I agree? Bullish rally overextended, traders. There are no sellers here. But what will play out next in 2020 will be very powerful. Will chart be identical to correction of 2018? More than likely. Be prepared for extreme volatility. As every single time price reaches reversal zone, market selling off. It had done so in 2018. It had done so in 2008. We're heading there in 2020. Are you ready for volatility? Are you prepared to separate phenomenal bullish rally with at least bearish correction? That's the zone S&P entering now. So while I'm speaking, intelligent trader getting exactly what he or she expected. Intelligent trader had zero interest buying historical high. And if market will continue staging these brutal formations, intelligent trader will never touch a bait. Intelligent trader only interested in quality trade. Quality trade area identified days in advance. Here at support, not into resistance, where for the last 7 hours every single long fails. Buying into resistance is gambling, not trading. The previous 48 hours, price kept pulling back. Buyers always step in from support, as they done in the previous 2 days. Multiple times. And that's what intelligent trader demands. As intelligent trader understands, the only thing you ever need is pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Nothing else is needed ever. Never, ever, ever. No matter what you trade. No matter if you're trading daily, no matter if you're trading weekly, no matter if you're trading 1 minute, 5 minutes, no matter if you're trading range chart, S&P, Dow, Bitcoin, any instrument you choose, identical accuracy applies. It is that simple. And if S&P will continue giving us baits, not trades, intelligent trader will never touch. Brokers haven't. When broker printing money, intelligent trader demands pullbacks. So when markets start pulling back and our phenomenal scanner starts giving us alerts, intelligent trader knows extremely well. Institutions continue buying every single pullback. And when pullback plays out, it's a beautiful, beautiful news. Agree? And that's S&P this morning and Dow. So if you're ready to trade with quality as an intelligent trader, I look forward working with you. So if you're ready to become quality trader, I look forward working with you. 120 plus videos available 24/7. All videos of live recorded classes available for group of private mentoring students who utilizing software or not. If you choose to trade on Sierra Charts, Interactive Brokers, MT4, Thinkorswim, of course, you can trade without software if you choose. As for the previous 10 years, method was traded without software. Private mentoring includes all group classes, with or without software. My technical team, which includes graduates of Alpha Fibonacci Mastery course, will always hold your hand and help you install the software. So if complete beginner trader can use it after 30-minute introduction, so can anyone. Now students all over the world trading the method in 56 countries. From stocks, options, forex, winning forex competitions, doubling and tripling their accounts. If they can do it, so can you. Please review. You serious about trading? I look forward working with you. Mindset. Are you a cat or are you a lion? Are you chasing and grabbing points and speculating in the markets? Or are you intelligent, brilliant, focused, powerful trader? Which one is it? Choice is yours. I don't have any interest working with cats. I have all the interest working with lions only. Mindset is everything. And mindset addressed at all times in the course. Reactive behavior, instant gratification is the focus of every single class. If you understand pure price, pure trading with Fibonacci, you become a lion, not a cat who chases the market. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me, pretty please. Simply pick up the phone and call me. I always look forward speaking with you, or send me an email 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.